In this video, I will answer the question if you can download OnlyFans photos and videos. Well, the answer to this question is very simple, and that is no. It is not possible to download photos or videos on OnlyFans. If you do so, you will get sued by the owner of the content because everything is copyrighted. It is strictly forbidden to download photos or videos. So you may not spread photos or videos on the internet. You can get charged for this and you can also get sued for this. So be cautious with this and be very careful for this. And under any circumstances, never download photos or videos from other people. So that is something that you need to keep in mind really good, because OnlyFans is a platform where you have to pay for content, and the content that is on this platform is copyrighted and belongs to the one that created it. And if you download it, then you are actually stealing this content. And if you're putting it out online, you can get charged and you can get some serious consequences for doing this. So can you download OnlyFans photos and videos? Again, no, this is forbidden. So I would say never do this. So that is it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.